Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let me see your resume. So, introduce about yourself.
Good morning, sir. I'm Tejashwi. I'm from Bhadrati, Kottagudam district. I have done my bachelor degrees in the stream of BSc MECS in the year 2021 with the aggregate percentage of 72. Currently, I'm pursuing my MBA. Coming to my technical skills, I'm good at Core Java along with that HTML and CSS. My hobbies are listening music and art and crafts. My strength is I'm a quick learner. My soft skills are I'm good at communication. This is all about me, sir.
What are your goals and dreams?
And uh, I want to be a strong pillar in a reputed company, sir.
I'm
I want
asking about your goal. Like recently,
settle in the IT field.
if you are not getting any job, then what is your goal?
Yes.
No. So let us discuss about Java. Right. So among all other programming languages, why Java is the best programming language?
Because Java supports all operating systems comparing to all. For example, we write a code on Java and we run it on the Mac computer, so it executes the output and it is a platform independent.
Yeah. Okay. What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is nothing but it is winding of data. It codes the data, it variable the data and add the decode in a together single unit. For example, we take capsules and it is a main purpose to secure the data.
What is inheritance?
Creating a new class from already existing class is called inheritance. These are classified into two types: single inheritance, multiple inheritance.
What is the keyword we use for inheritance?
Extends keyword.
In case of interfaces?
In case of inter extends, no idea, sir.
So in case of multiple inheritance, what kind of problem we come across?
Uh, if a child class, if parent class having we take classes like many subclasses, child classes, multiple classes in the program without a single class.
What is constructor chaining?
If a class there is a subclass and the subclass is calling the another constructor class, then we call it as chaining.
What is the job of supercall statement?
Super call statement. It calls it prints the value. It calls the constructor to the program.
What is the difference between interfaces and abstract classes?
It supports the intermediate code should be done in interface and no intermediate code in the abstract class. It supports the data members and it does not support the data members. So,
What is method overriding?
when two or more methods with a same name, same class and same argument is called method overriding.
What is exception?
Exception is an event. It occurs when the program must be. It creates it having any problem while we executing the program.
What are types of exceptions?
There are two types: checked exception and unchecked exception.
What is arithmetic exception?
We divide any number with 0, then we get arithmetic exception.
How to handle the exception?
The way of the handle exception is it occurs when we are executing the code. It unexpected the problem while we are running the code. Handle the exception. Because using of try and catch blocks, sir.
What are the types of try and catch blocks?
That's of no idea, sir.
What is difference between throw and throws?
Throw is an exception and it is a keyword. The exception which rises on the running time, and throws, the developer does not want to using try and catch block. Then he declare an exception with a throws keyword.
What is difference between final and finally block?
Finally is a keyword and finally also keyword. In final, the number of code block, in finally, it uses in use it the exception occurs or doesn't occurs, we used finally. Finally, I don't know.
What about final? What do you know about string?
String consists of a group of characters, and in string, space is also considered as a character. It is represented with a double, and string is immutable.
What is meant by immutable?
In string, we doesn't create any. In string, we does not change any character. When the string character is created, it will if you are trying to create another character, instead of that the string will create another, and these all the problems. According to these problems, original character will loaded in a special memory, and that is called string constant pool, but that's why string is immutable.
Uh, what is class cast exception?
When we are downcasting when we are performing the downcasting exception, then we get class cast exception.
What do you know about collection framework?
Collection framework extends the arrays. In arrays, we have some drawbacks. So for that drawbacks, collection frameworks are introduced. In this, we have list, linked list, array list, sets.
So what are the characteristics of list interface?
Characteristics of it supports it maintains insertion order, it supports null values, it supports duplicates, it supports indexing order.
What is difference between array list and linked list?
Array list is the implementation class of the list interface. Linked list is the implementation class for both queues and list, and array list is slow comparing to the linked list by existing the middle of the data. Linked list is faster by existing the middle of the data. Both are introduced in 1.2 version.
What do you know about stack?
Stack, no idea.
What is difference between list and set?
List and set. List is the implementation class of the collection interface, and set is the implementation class of the collection interface, and list allows null values, duplicates, whereas set it doesn't allows the duplicate values.
So, what is difference between hash set and linked hash set?
In hash set, we can store the data in the hash technique. The underlying structure of the hash set is hash table. Coming to linked hash set, in linked hash set, the data will be stored in both list and queues. The underlying structure of the linked hash set is hash table. Hash table.
What are the ways of accessing the data of the list objects?
Stop this accessing.
Accessing the list object elements, array list, linear list. How to access them?
Those.
What do you know about map?
In map is implemented by hash. I cannot recall it. So.
Not bad. Okay. Prepare well. All the best.
Okay, so thank you.